Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use advanced feature in Instagram. Now, Instagram offers several advanced features for both regular users and the creator to enhance their experiences and manage their content. Now, these settings can help you control your audience, schedule posts, and get deeper insight into your content's performances. So basically the advanced posting options. So when creating a post or a reels on your Instagram application, so let's see, I'm just gonna go ahead and create a reels. All right. So let's say this is the one, tap the next button. And here you should be able to see, or you can also prevent the public from seeing the numbers of like and view your post or reel has received. Next, you would also disable commenting. This allows you to turn off all the comment for a specific post. And then afterwards, you could also upload at the highest quality. That is, ensure your image and the videos are not compressed to the Instagram, so they appears as a crisp as possible. And you could also add descriptive text to your photo for those who are visually impaired. And this also improves your post visibility for the search engine as well. So these are some of the features you could receive with the help of an advanced feature in Instagram. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.